Hello guys, this is Anisha and today I'll be the campus ambassador pathfinder of your next dream university. Welcome to Sister Nivedita University, wherein education isn't about only books and those boring lectures. It's also about on-hand opportunities, vibrant student life and many more working techniques. Right now I'm standing in the front of the effigy of Sister Nivedita, which symbolizes the empowerment and reflecting values of education and service that this university upholds. Need a caffeine boost before class? Well, Melbourne Cafe is a perfect place where ideas flows over a cup of coffee. Be it a normal gathering with friends or group study, Melbourne Cafe is the perfect place to chill out. Now let's step into the first process of every aspiring student and from where it all begins, that is the admission cell. Well, the admission cell shows a light of hope and pave the way for the near future of their career. Not only this, our university also have a career counseling team wherein they guide you if you feel ever confused or lost in choosing your career line. Oh, you're already here, but you gotta be little silent cause we are here at the Central Library. Well, the Central Library offers you different kinds of books, research books, journals. Well, talking about books, we have more than 24,000 books here, more than 50 plus journals, and a very unique thing, that is the Nimbus registration app, wherein the librarian gives you a QR code and you can scan and create your ID and get more than 20,000 e-journals. Isn't that interesting? The placement cell connects students with top companies like Amazon, Google, Capgemini, Republic Bangla, NDTV, Nestle, Deloitte and TCS, ensuring they step into the professional world with confidence. Classrooms at SNU are designed to foster interactive learning, with each accommodating 60 students. And for larger gatherings and departmental programs, the seminar hall serves as the venue for guest lectures, departmental events and industry interactions. The computer science engineering labs are equipped with advanced systems, allowing students to explore AI, cybersecurity and software development. Moving from technology to justice, the law department provides real-world courtroom training. The moot court is where students sharpen their legal skills, engaging in mock trials and case studies that prepare them for the legal profession. Healthcare is the another pillar for education at Sister Nivedita University. The nursing department has dedicated training areas with medical dummies, allowing students to practice real-world patient care procedures. Similarly, the paramedical department focuses on emergency response and life-saving techniques with stimulation labs that mimic real medical scenarios. In the world of research, the microbiology department takes the lead. Equipped with advanced labs, the students conduct experiments on bacteria, viruses and fungi, diving deep into the medical and environmental microbiology. Right next to it is the biotechnology department, which focuses on genetic engineering, pharmaceutical research and industrial biotech applications, ensuring students gains hands-on experience with the latest scientific advancements. Starting with the studio, it allows students to produce and present new stories, while the production control room PCR, which is the mitochondria of the mass communication department, manages live broadcasts. The Mac Lab is where future filmmakers and editors bring their visions to life, working on high-end editing software. Sister Nivedita University isn't just an institution, it's a growth of self-discovery, success and self-belief. Whether you are here to innovate, to create, to perform or to lead, Sister Nivedita University is the best place where your future begins. Are you ready to be a part of the SNU legacy? Because I already am.